You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something.
Guys, I'm in Gamlastan, it's the old town, it's night and it's magical. So I will bring you with me and I hope you will like it too. It's cold.
I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are.
And today we are going to prepare another recipe that I found in my favorite cooking book. It's called salsa al burro, that means butter sauce, so perfectly keto. This sauce is perfect with fish that I will fry in ghee, and I will explain you later why. But to prepare the sauce, today we will use 50 grams of butter, half glass of vinegar, half onion, some salt, pepper and fresh parsley. I have to tell you that this is a strong sauce that you will like only if you like vinegar. But let's start this preparation by taking our half onion and chopping it as thin as possible. Remember that both garlic and onion contain quite a lot of carbs. So be careful with the quantities. Now we can cook the onion together with the vinegar.
Even if what we're doing is bad.
As you can see, I put less than half glass because this sauce is too strong for us. But cooking slowly, we will reduce the vinegar to 1/3 of this quantity. And this is the vinegar after the cooking, so it's just inside the onion and it will taste amazing. But don't exaggerate with this ingredient because vinegar, like also onion, they are both very strong. To make this sauce more creamy, it's very important that you don't feel the onion when you eat it. So now we are going to blend it with this thing, this tool, I don't know the name in English. Because it's so much easier to do it now that the onion is soft after cooking with the vinegar. But now it's also time to cook it again. Together with our 50 grams of butter. The heating should be medium-low and you should also add the butter little by little, always stirring very well, because we don't need to cook it again, it's just to melt it and to mix all the flavors together. When all the butter will be melted together with the onion and the vinegar, it's time also for the seasoning, and that's super easy too. Just a pinch of salt and some black pepper, only if you like it. Now that the sauce is ready, it's time to prepare our fish, and to cook it I will use the ghee. This clarified butter can reach very high temperature, so I can fry my fish and it will be delicious and crunchy outside. But before cooking my fish, I will season it, always the same, salt and pepper. We don't need difficult things, life is already complicated. So our food should be delicious and easy to prepare, and always fast to prepare too. Today I didn't do a great job. look what happened when I turned the fish to the other side. Incredible, a disaster, an epic fail.
Just to block out the real life.
My fish is destroyed, but the flavor is there.
Think we're so messed up.
So I will go on with my recipe and I will eat it. I'm looking forward to eating this fish because the sauce is spectacular and the fish too.
Sharing stories that we
In my book, they wrote that this sauce is for 4 persons, but we are on keto, so we eat high fat and we enjoy it, and I can have all the sauce for myself, just 1 person.
we fly around like paper planes.
But to give some freshness to all this fat, some fresh parsley is perfect because when it's not cooked, it tastes a little bit like lemon, so you will not feel all the fat. When it's cooked, parsley is a little bitter, so I prefer it uncooked on top of our sauce and on top of our fish too. I really hope you like this walk and you will consider subscribing to my channel because it's really cold and now it's windy too, but it's so beautiful here. So we will meet on my channel with an English video about ketogenic diet every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time, but also on Wednesday with the same video but in Spanish, the bells, and on Friday in Italian. See you next week and thank you all for watching. Now I will show you where I am. Wait. This is the heart of the ancient town. It's amazing. That's the Nobel Prize Museum and it's beautiful. See you soon.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.